What is going on, guys? We're coming at you with Planet X fireworks from Intergalactic. They mostly come out at night. A 500 gram, 30 shot, out of this world performance. Looks like she's about ready to get taken. Look at that. Let me get all freaky deaky here. Caroline, it's the light. She's coming for you. And then we have our performance. Newt knows best. Mostly alternating gold palms of blue stars and gold palms of green strobes with a crackling willow finale. Is this Newt here? Is that the little alien there? Does he know best? Is that Newt? We're going to call him Newt. How's that? Newt and the astronaut. So, popping the hood, lifting it up, see what we got. And we have your 30 shots of straight up 1-inch tubes. Again, this is from Planet X fireworks. They mostly come out at night. From Intergalactic fireworks is where this came from. So, let's see what you guys think. I'll be in the comments down below with you. Thumbs up, thumbs down. See you in a little bit. They mostly come at night. Very nice.